micromanaging you, and good teachers do that because you have earned my trust. And around that fourth or fifth lesson, you are driving for independence. You've earned my trust. So maintain good speed, keep driving, you're safe. They have a right to turn right on red. So I let you learn, I let you drive. And that's the difference. And it comes over time. When I started teaching, I would control everything. Hands 10 and 2, 9 and 3, cover the brake. As you become more experienced, relax, take your time, be patient. I used to wear suits every day. Now I'm in my, nice crispy skinny jeans, my Timberlands, button-down shirt. There, the police waiting for you. Button-down shirt, and I let you drive because the goal is different. You got to get a job. You got to keep up your grades. You better listen to your mom and dad. If not, they're going to make your life terrible, or you're going to run away. Okay, I've had clients do that too. Keep driving, your speed is good. So I tell you these real life stories because you got to be motivated. A lot of kids just want to stay home, or young adults, and blame mom and dad, or I never learned how to drive, or your mom and dad don't have to do anything for you. Driving is a privilege, not a right. Same thing with me. The state owns our licenses. Okay, if I get a ticket or get it crazy, I'll lose my endorsement. She's speeding. You're fine. She will cut you off. You got to be able to recognize this.
If she was tailgating.
You are, what you said, girl? Give me a fist pound on that. Bam! All right? You got to know what's going on. And if you don't, you're going to get cut off or hit because she's in a little hurry. She's sneak driving, sneaking, going real fast. You're doing great. You keep going. And I can tell the students you really appreciate it, and you're blooming and growing, and you're like, I really learned a lot from driver's ed. Thank you. And it's deeper than just teaching someone how to drive. In certain classes you really care about and love, you're already here. Keep going. See? Don't doubt yourself. Maintain your speed, keep driving. So they're from Ohio. Ohio's rules are different. Every state is different. So your speed control is perfect. Keep going. In 10 minutes, you up, homeboy. Keep driving. Stay focused. I like your speed control. And stay in this open lane. And that's a pretty good lane change. You're kind of veering to the left a little bit. I don't know if you're looking at the line or looking down. Just look straight ahead. Okay? You're learning so much today. I'm just letting you eat. We should go up to the school where they fight. But you're okay. You're going to learn in parking lots. You have to be able to park. You got to be able to back into driveways.